I feel very glowy today, and my hair is also hairing. I also did my everything shower earlier. And ayun, I just wanna share the happiness that I'm feeling right now because the day has been very good. Like yesterday, super daming naganap, super daming regret and such. Pero let's not think about that dahil ngayong araw is I'm very grateful na super nakabawi ako. Because you already know or you haven't, these past few weeks I've been eating a lot. Like continuous na siya, as in like super nawala talaga ako sa sarili ko, and I admit that until nakuha ko na yung mga consequence for my own actions. I'm only human after all, kaya I think deserve ko yung mga consequence na nakuha ko. Dahil nga these past few days is super nag-overeat ako. Hindi ko na tinatrack yung calories ko. Like, super nagpapadala ako sa emotions and yung desire ko na kumain and everything. I don't even wanna blame mama dahil bumibili siya ng mga pagkain and such because nasa akin yon and pinanindigan ko yung actions ko. And ayun, unti-unti kong nadama yung mga consequence din. So, of course, the burnout, the regret at every meal. Kasi, kapag kumakain ako, I'm super blind. Hinahayaan ko na lang, basta kain, kain lamon. Tapos mamaya maghahanap pa ako ulit ng pagkain. Yung tipong kakatapos ko lang kumain ng meal, tapos maghahanap ulit ako. Like talagang pinanindigan ko yun. Tapos I'd end up feeling guilty, of course. Babalik na naman ako sa saying na bukas talaga ganito. And the cycle goes on. And it's so frustrating, it's so tiring. Like, ang hirap. Like, I don't even know what to do at this stage because it's super shameful. Kasi, why do I have the audacity to feel all the regret and sadness kung ako naman yung gumagawa ng problema para sa sarili ko? Like, it's like another person is controlling my mind and soul, but ayun, it's super uncomfortable and I despise that feeling. Kaya I'm so happy right now na at some point slowly is nawawala or nawala sa isip ko yun talaga today. And talaga this time paninindigan ko to kasi ayoko na. Super, super natatakot na rin ako para sa sarili kong health. And ayun nga, speaking of the consequences, dahil nga nagpatuloy yon yung bad cycle na yon, nag-breakout ako, te. Like, up until now is, andito pa rin siya. Pero, happy ako kasi at some point, hindi na siya as active as nung isang araw. Like, talagang nag-breakout ako. Tapos to the point na medyo na-insecure na nga ako, nakaramdam ako ng insecurity. And, pino-point out na rin ng ibang tao, si mama, pino-point out niya na rin. Sinabihan niya pa ako ng mga kasi yan, ganyan. Pero at some point, naintindihan ko siya kaya wala akong sinabi sa kanya na, ganun, ganun, ganun. Kasi may point naman siya and inaccept ko din naman yun. Kasi kahit ako is talagang super noticeable and pinapansin ko siya sa sarili ko. Yung tipong nasa mall kami, pero nakaramdam ako ng feeling down nung tumingin talaga ako sa sarili ko noon kasi super noticeable and I hate that. Kaya ngayon, thank God, is unti-unti na siyang nag-heal. And alam ko, it has something to do with my bad habits talaga. Yung mga pinagkakain ko, especially honorable mention sa carbs. Dahil nga si mama, bumili siya ng white breads, nakadalawang tupak siya ng bili, magkasunod. Di ko naman siya biniblame, pero inopen up ko sa kanya na mas maganda option yung wheat bread. Pero at the same time, even though bumibili si mama ng wheat bread noon, is may mga times pa rin na I'd end up binging that. Like, hindi siya total binge, pero like, continuous na pagkuha, you know. And, ayun, dahil doon, specifically doon sa tinapay, is I think it has something to do with my sudden breakout talaga. Kaya super uncomfortable ng feeling. Kaya when I think about it right now, I'm so glad na that time actually passed, like it's not here anymore. Kaya I'm so happy na na-escape ko yung feeling na yun. And now, I'm living in this moment. By the time I'm speaking this, nag-grumble yung chan ko. Pero, I really honor this feeling instead of feeling bloated, feeling the regret. At least now, I know that it's because I did not overeat like I always did nung mga nakaraang araw. Ayun yun. Tapos, of course, the feeling of regret, it's there. Isa sa mga consequence na lagi namang nangyayari. And, ayun, I'm so happy na rin kasi alam ko na may part na hindi ako nakapag-overeat and all ngayon kasi wala akong distractions in sight. Like, walang stock na pagkain and all. Pero kanina si mama may wafer siya na tinago and binigyan niya ako kanina. Ayun yung ginawa kong last meal, by the way, around 4:30. And I'm so happy na pinanindigan ko yon kasi super nakaka-frustrate yung mga mukbangs. Like, for some reason, like, ang lakas ng bitaw. Ang lakas ng pull ng mga mukbangs. Pero I'm so happy na up until now is wala akong distraction inside. I think that really helped. And of course, I was able to gain some control na nawala sa sarili ko noong mga nakaraang araw. Kaya ayun, up until now, ang pinaka main priority ko talaga is to heal my gut from all those unhealthy habits na pinanindigan ko nung mga nakaraang araw. Kaya by healing that, I just don't mean eating less na, which is na-start ko na ngayon, thankfully talaga. Super proud ko for that part. But also starting eating healthy. So, isa yun sa mga main priority. And I'm so happy na kakampi ko si mama in here kasi kanina namalengke siya. And by the way, for breakfast, I'm so happy dahil hindi ako nagpadala sa bad mindset ko before na, hala, breakfast, ang heavy ng breakfast, ganun. Kasi bumili siya ng puto, tapos yung bread na may munggo paste something. So, ayun yung breakfast ko. And I'm so happy na hindi ako nag-overeat and nakaramdam talaga ako ng like, as in, kabusugan doon. Tapos, ayun, for lunch, ko 1 cup ng rice. Kasi meron kaming mug na maliit. Tas half nun, pinuno ko ng kanin. Tapos yung tilapia, which is good for nutrients. And I love tilapia. So, sinigang na bayabas ulit yung ulam namin, which is ulam namin kahapon. And ayun, super balanced ko today. And I'm so proud of myself. I wanna brag about it to my future self. I hope that you are in a very good spot right now, and I know that you're proud of the progress na ginawa ko ngayon. So, I really wanna keep it up na. And, ayun, up until now, I'm super happy. Iba talaga yung glow kapag confident ka na you did great. Like right now, I feel pretty. My hair is hairing. I also did my everything shower today. So, syempre, nandun pa rin yung mga unhealthy thoughts inside my mind. Pero I'm so glad na unti-unti ko na silang, or slowly na, hindi na ako masyado nagpapadala doon. Kasi nandito pa rin yun. Ay kanina, napaisip ako, bibili ako ng ganito. Magbibinge ako, bibili ako nito, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, slowly, mas sinastart ko pa rin i-adapt ulit sa healthy mindset ko na hindi magpadala sa ganon. Kasi I know I'll bear the consequence at the end of the day, and ayoko na talagang ma-experience yung naranasan ko ng mga nakaraang araw, especially yung breakout na yan. I don't wanna be in that tough situation anymore. And ayun, kanina in-open up ko kay mama na gagawa ko ng scrambled egg with potato tomorrow. Kasi, for breakfast, naging part na siya ng lifestyle ko na may boiled egg. But this time, I wanna do something different. And kasi naging confident na ako na buksan yung kalan namin. Kaya confident na ako na makakapag-cook na ako. So sabi ko parang gusto ko ng scrambled egg. And also, in-experiment ko yung gusto kong gumawa ng scrambled egg without oil. And ayun, inopen up po kay mama. Sabi niya, ayun na lang daw yung breakfast namin. Pero, sabi ko, for myself lang naman yun. So, I don't know about her. Pero, happy ako that I got her permission. Kaya, I'll see what I can do tomorrow. Kaya, I'm excited na rin. And, ayun, I'm so happy that I also overcome that fear. Yung pag-open ng kalan namin. Kaya ngayon, confident na ako. And kanina nga, ako ngayon nagsaing with myself. I don't need mom's guidance na buksan yung kalan. Kaya ayun, I'm so happy. Kaya I'm really hoping for more best. Kasi I'm in a recovery na talaga for all the bad things that I did mga nakaraang araw. And gusto ko na i-keep up na tong confidence na nararamdaman ko right now. Kaya tonight I will sleep early. And medyo uncomfortable na rin yung grumble sa tiyan ko. Pero we wanna honor that. And I really honor the happiness that I'm feeling right now. I love the feeling of not being bloated. Kaya I'll keep it up until for the rest of my life. And plano ko rin palang gumawa ng what I eat in a day na vlog. Kasi di ba may TikTok ako. And this YouTube, kanina in-start ko na kanina for YouTube lang. Pero plano ko rin na gawin in TikTok, na gawin siyang content. I don't know. I feel happy and I feel happy with the decision. And kanina napaisip pa nga ako na bigla na namang umano sa isip ko na hala makikita doon ng mga kaklase ko ng mga mutuals ko. Pero napaisip din ako bigla. Ano naman kung makita nila? Like, ako lang ba yung unang tao sa class J na gumagawa ng content? Like, let them think. Like, kapag na-notice nila, i-mention man nila in personal, gawin nilang joke. So what? Like, this is all for myself. At the end of the day, ako naman yung magbe-benefit sa gagawin ko. And confident ako kasi meron na nga akong TikTok account. So, it'll be a bit more easier to reach other people. Pero at the same time, dahil nga yung YouTube na yun, yung TikTok na yun is naka-base siya sa ibang content before, which is Roblox. Pero still, we'll do our best. Kaya, na-excite na ako gawin yun. Kaya, isa rin yun sa mga rason. Kaya, excited na ako bukas. And, mas pumasok sa isip ko na ako yung gagawa ng breakfast. Kaya, for now, I just wanna do my night routine. I'm gonna make it simple then kasi medyo late na ako naligo kanina. Kaya, I don't wanna overdo washing my face. Kaya, we'll be very quick. And then, we will sleep. And I'm so excited tomorrow. I'm looking forward. Kaya, thank you, Lian, for doing your best today. And I hope na mag-stick to your plan ka na this time. Imagine the happiness you are feeling right now. All of this will be worth it, and I'll be so much more next week. Thank you.